Leo is the world's youngest largest billionaire. He became a billionaire before 30. He grew up poor. He grew up with poor people in a poor village called Rayagada, India, where the people face difficulty of earning $10 per day. He is the founder of world-famous hotel called Oya, which has more than 46,000 branches. He was the boy who was selling SIM cards in the roadside, who was keeping 50 rupees and thinking what to do with that, and became the world's largest billionaire. He is Ritesh Agarwal. There's no rule that you cannot become a billionaire before 30. The age never mattered to success. Ritesh started on working, putting his ideas into progress when he became 18 years old. There was a hotel in a small area called Kopan, and the hotel was in a lost. So he goes to the owner and speaks a deal with him. He promised to make his hotel better. First, he changed the bulb. He changed the bed. He added television. He added picture frames and took beautiful photos of the hotel and uploaded it on their website and changed the name as Oya Hotel. And the hotel started growing. It started developing. And he made many branches of it, and they all started to develop.
This for a second. A random kid in a poor city in India with 50 cents in his bank account became the world's youngest billionaire in 5 years and helped 350,000 people get.
Your life can be changed in any moment. That moment could be this moment. So please subscribe. Let's motivate together and have a good journey.